Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kitty Cat and we are back with another video. This video is about why you should never, and I mean never, give your man money. Never give your man money. I cannot say it enough. Never give your man money, honey, okay? Never give your man money, honey, okay? Never give your man money, honey, okay? I got a couple reasons for y'all why you should never give your man money. You may be that person in your relationship that pays for everything, or you drive everywhere. They ask you to help pay their bills. They ask you to spot money This is for you. I think after you hear what I have to say, you're gonna have a different thought and a different perspective. The first reason why you should never give your man money is because that is not in the girlfriend job description, okay? Now, you know when you're like the talking stage, the dating stage or whatever, and you maybe ask like, so what are you looking for in a woman or whatever, maybe something along those lines? Nowhere in that description do guys ever say, I'm looking for you to pay my way, pay my bills, and give me money whenever I need it, or, you work while I just hang out type of thing. That's not what girls sign up for. That's not what ladies sign up for. You sign up for love, a companion, mutual respect, fun experiences, but you don't sign up to, like, take care of your man financially. I don't think any woman signs up for that. I mean, there are some that sign up for that. In context, y'all, if you typed in, I'm applying to be a girlfriend on Indeed, if you went, if that was how it was, I just really don't think financially supporting your man would be anywhere in that job description. Nowhere in there. It's not in the girlfriend job description. It's not your job to pay your man's way, okay? The second reason why you should never give your partner, your boo, your man, you should never give him money, because you're his girlfriend, you're his woman, you're his lady, you're not his mother. He's not your son. Are you supposed to drive him everywhere, pick him up, take him here, give him money when he wants to go be with his friends? You're supposed to cook for him. Like, all these things. Like, wait a minute. Are you his girlfriend or are you his mom? You lose, like, lust for somebody so fast when you start acting like their mom. You lose, like, the fire, the passion, like, everything you really liked about them. You lose it because you feel like you're not even my boyfriend. I feel like I have to take care of you. It's annoying, and it's annoying. It's frustrating, and that's why you should never give your man money. He's not your son. You're not his mom. If you have your own kids, you're their mom. He has his own mom. The third reason why you should never give your man money, are you really ever going to get it back? I mean, are you going to get it back? Is he going to pay you back? Are you sure he's going to pay you back, girl? Like, are you sure he's going to pay you back? Is he going to pay you back in installments, or is he going to pay you back all at once? Is there going to be interest accrued? Like, what's the deal? Or is he going to pay you back like in gifts or other things, or like make it up to you in some other way? Ladies, we work really hard for our money, and contrary to popular belief, men are still making more than 50 cents than we are. Also, depending on, if you're a woman of color, this, that, easily, they're making another 50 cents more than us. And, with that being said, women, we're up, we're at 'em, we're working hard every day. We're going to work, we're staying cute, we're taking care of the kids, we're taking care of everything. And we're supposed to take care of you too? A man is a man, right? Like, if you're a man, you should be able to take care of yourself in all ways. And financially, I feel like most importantly, all of us should be able to take care of ourselves financially. However, don't ever, don't give your man money no more. Okay, girl? If you roll into the ATM because he asked you for money, I'm going to be very disappointed in you. Very. Okay? Just don't do it, girl. Like, honestly, you work hard for yours. And at the end of the day, if he decides to leave you, or, things don't work out, you're in debt, you blew all your savings on him, what do you have to show for it when things are said and done? When you decide you don't want to pay his bills no more, when you decide that you don't want to be around this foolery, what are you gonna have at the end of the day? You're gonna have to start all over. I'm telling you, girl, like, stop giving your man money. I got a little story for y'all. Y'all know I always have a little story for y'all, right? Like, this is how, I think that's how you learn. Like, you literally learn from experiences and growth. Many times I've been in couplings, relationships, whatever, where I was the one that had the money, and so I paid for everything, or I drove us everywhere, or we used my car, or whatever. And I was in this one relationship in particular where in the beginning, my boyfriend at the time had made a lot more money than me. He paid for everything. I maybe paid for Chick-fil-A every once in a while or something, but for the most part, he paid for everything. And then he lost his job, and after he lost his job, things just like really went downhill. And then it was almost like I ended up picking up a lot of the slack. I ended up paying like some of his bills and giving him money when he needed it, and like paying for things that he needed. I was happy to do it at the time because, you know, that was my man, that was my boyfriend, and I cared for him. But at the end of the day, like, it really left me kind of in a bad spot. And I remember this one time in particular, he asked me for $200. Now, $200 is like, it's a lot to give somebody who's like asking to borrow money. Most of the time when people ask me to borrow money, it's like $50. So one day my ex asked me for $200. He was like, "Hey Kat, can I borrow $200? And I said, $200? I was like, no. And he said, why? And I was like, no, I'm not going to give you $200. And he was like, why? I know you have it. Why don't you just give it to me? And I said, because I don't have to. Like, I don't want to. And he started giving me so much tood, y'all. So much attitude because I wouldn't give him $200. I just kept saying no because I'm really stubborn. And I was like, no, I'm not giving you $200. He was like, well, my daughter's gonna have a bad birthday if you don't like give me $200. And I was like, why does your daughter need $200 for her birthday? He was like, well, she's having her party at this place and da 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 da. And I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure having her party at this place da 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 doesn't cost $200. He's like, well, yeah, I'm putting $100 down, and you know her mom's gonna put $100 down. And then I was like, okay, and then what? What about the other $100? He's like, well, I need to pay my phone bill, and I need to like do this and do that. And I was just like, ugh, I was so annoyed. And I just kind of felt so annoyed that he just felt like he could be in such a spot that he could just come to me and be like, hey, I need $200. It's like, dude, I should be able to go to you for $200. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It just feels like, no. We work hard for hours, ladies. We're still not making the same amount on the dollar. So why should I be letting you borrow money from me? When he told me that it was half of it was for his daughter, I agreed to give him the money because I really care about her. And so he got the money out, and I was just so annoyed. And he said he would pay me back. And a month went by, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months went by. And I just, you know, I had a feeling probably by like the third or fourth month, like, he's not going to pay me back because he still didn't have a job. He had no intention of ever paying me back. He just thought he could take that from me and use it for what he needed. Because when it comes to money, if you don't make it, you're a lot more willingly to spend it. Like, you know, when you are a kid and, you know, your mom gives you money or whoever, and you kind of just spend it however because it's not your money. And then when you start making your own money, your allowance money, or, you know, this is my first job money, you're like, hold on now, let me spend this properly. It's really unfortunate that I think a lot of women who work very hard end up in situations with men who don't work very hard and don't have jobs and don't give a, and they just kind of expect that the woman that they're with is just going to be a rider and, you know, be there for him while he's going through a hard time. And I'm here to tell you, ladies, like, you may really love him, but you don't have to be a ride or die. You don't have to struggle in love. That's not what love is about. The moral of that story is he never paid me back. And I think that was a really big lesson of, like, you know what? It doesn't matter if that's your boyfriend or whatever. Like, just because they're struggling doesn't mean you have to struggle too. And I know that everybody falls on hard times. However, when you fall on hard times, you have to pick yourself back up. And if those people around you are not willing to pick themselves back up, you must grab your belongings and exit. Time to go. Time to go. Okay, and this video is over. It's time to go. I hope you all enjoyed why you should never give your man money. I did kind of do this like heteronormative lens just because like I didn't really, you know, I haven't experienced all that. So this was my lens, y'all. I hope you can just take what you need from it. If it resonates, perfect. Okay, y'all, before we close out and cap out this video, let's review real quick. Don't give your man money because it's not in your girlfriend job description. He is your man, not your son. And 3, are they even gonna pay you back? Okay, think about that. Okay, stay tuned. We've got more videos on the way. If you want to see more like this one, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.